So I would say to someone who is thinking about divorce that I understand. I was there. Many times we think it's the easy way out, believing and trusting God that, marriage is worth to fight for. That's what you say. Marriage is not easy, but it's totally worth to fight for. That's what I want to say. It's not something that we learn in a day or in a month or in a year. It's a process.
How would you guys compare your marriage now compared to when it was when you first got married?
One of the huge changes for me, I don't struggle at all with trust issues. And that's huge. I don't worry about where she's going, who she's with, who she's talking to. I don't check emails. I don't check phones. I trust her because I know she wants to be here. And that's gold. That's worth $1 million or probably $100 million. Such a difference. I sleep well at night. I look forward to going home. I have energy for the day. I'm hopeful for the future. I'm not panicked. I'm not worried. I'm not distraught. It's beautiful.